In the question, two pendulum of length கொடுத்தாச்சு. One 121 centimeter, another one is 100 centimeters, starts vibrating in phase. Pendulum starting with initially they are start in phase. At some instant, two are at their mean position at same phase. After some time, both are in phase. Phase difference become 0. The minimum number of vibration of the shorter pendulum after which two are again in phase. Very simple. Time period formula தெரியும். 2 pi into root of L by G. அப்போ T1 is the time period of the first pendulum is directly proportional to root L1. T2 is the time period of second pendulum is directly proportional length L2. So, அதே formula தான். அப்போ T1 is the time period of the first pendulum by T2 equal to root of L1 by L2 121 by 100. It is clear which is 11 by 10. Cross multiply பண்ணு. 11 T1 is equal to 10 T1. 10 T1 equal to 11 T2. என்ன meaning இது? Hey, shorter pendulum will have length shorter இருந்துச்சுன்னா அதுக்கு time period less. Time period is inversely directly proportional square it. Length shorter இருந்தா time period less. It is clear. அப்போ இந்த pendulum time period less. அப்போ 10 T1 10 times இந்த pendulum oscillate ஆகும். Shorter pendulum 11 times oscillate ஆகுதோ in phase. புரியுதா? So starting அப்போ ரெண்டும் phase difference 0. இது 10 T1 time first அதான் அந்த shorter pendulum. T1 longer pendulum. Longer pendulum time period is T1. இது shorter pendulum T2, correct? அப்போ longer pendulum length கூடுச்சுன்னா time period more. சரி, அப்போ இது எப்படி சொல்லலாம்னா 10 times T1 will be equal to 11 times T2. T1 longer pendulum. Minimum number of vibration of shorter pendulum T1 by T2 equal to 121 by T2. Okay, T1 by T2 is 7 by, upper 10 T1 equal to 11 T2. Okay. T1 is the time period of shorter pendulum, longer pendulum. Okay, shorter pendulum. So T1 is the longer, T2 is shorter. Okay. Longer pendulum 10 vibration or 10 oscillation word use பண்ணுவோம். 10 oscillation of longer pendulum will be equal to 11 oscillation of shorter pendulum. முடிஞ்சு போச்சு. என்ன அர்த்தம்? 10 oscillation of longer pendulum will be equal to 11 oscillation of shorter pendulum. This is meaning. 10 oscillation of T1 longer pendulum will be equal to 11 oscillation of shorter pendulum. இப்போ the number of vibration of the shorter pendulum after which two again in phase with the mean position. The minimum number of vibration of the shorter pendulum T2 is a shorter pendulum. Minimum number of shorter vibration of the shorter pendulum 11 times 11 oscillation க்கு பிறகு அது எதோட மேட்ச் ஆயிடும்? 10 oscillation. அப்போ 11 oscillation of shorter pendulum will be equal to 11 oscillation of longer pendulum. அப்போ 11 oscillation இப்போ the minimum vibration of shorter pendulum. 11 vibrations of the shorter pendulum will be matched with 10 oscillations of longer pendulum. இங்க புரியுதா பாரு? 10 oscillation of longer pendulum will be equal to 11 oscillation of shorter pendulum. அப்ப ரெண்டும் மேட்ச் ஆகுது. 11 oscillation of shorter pendulum தான். இது ஆன்சர். Thank you.